Have you been searching for the perfect sedan with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? We'll take a look at this 2017 Chevy Malibu LT in Mosaic Black with HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 17-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, shark fin antenna, electronic stability control, front bucket seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 28,000 miles on the odometer, 8-inch touchscreen display, rear backup camera, SIRIUSXM radio, split folding rear seats, 1.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details or to schedule a test drive, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 5972A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.